Fuck yeah, Saul is back with another episode here. I got two Kohler flywheels off like the Kohler Command series. This one up here is the one off of that 2019 fuel injected Toro Grandstand, and this one was off an older donor motor. So just thought I'd show you guys this motor, excuse me, engine only has less than 300 hours on it. You can see how they get all packed up with just fine debris and stuff. So I know the shop I used to work at, we would kind of check that every now and then. You know, if we were already halfway, had the top of the engine halfway apart, we would just pull the flywheel, check it, clean it out, and the magnets come loose. We would glue them back together with just normal JB weld. So what I'm going to do here for you guys real quick. Unfortunately, can't say I've ever seen this happen. Only one of the magnets came loose. Normally they're all loose, and what I do is I just take them out one at a time and just stack them up to the outside so I can clean and prep the inside, which I just kind of did off camera. Didn't really feel that's any value to watch me scrub and clean it, but just prep it like you normally would for any kind of epoxy job. I want to say the critical thing is you don't flip them upside down. As you can see here, this one, they're all painted on the top, so change the polarity. So I think that's where you could go wrong with this, but it's going to take a little bit of JB weld here. I already mixed it up off camera. Don't need much. Just a thin layer. There you have it. It's all laid out pretty evenly there. I'll take, top side up. Straight edge. Well, I'll find the straight edge off camera. But you guys get the idea. Kind of get it. Roughed in back in place. Little clamp on it, and that's it. So we'll let that set up, probably let it set up, 24 hours at least, and it'll be good to go. So, like I said, normally thought thought they were all going to be loose once I noticed that one was loose. Once I got the flywheel off the donor motor, but I guess there's a first time for everything, you know. It's the first time I've seen just one loose. But that's all for now, guys. So I'll get a video out once I get this motor back, or engine back together, and get it running. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.